Hey there, want to pay yourself first and build savings automatically? Setting up recurring transfers in Chase automates your savings, making consistent growth a guaranteed part of your financial plan. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. Log into your Chase account, go to Pay and Transfer, and select Schedule Transfers. Choose your Chase checking as the From account and your savings or investment account as the To account. Enter the amount and set the frequency. Right after payday is ideal. Choose the start date and make it recurring. The transfer will happen automatically on that schedule. My crucial pro tip: name your transfers for your goals. In the memo or nickname field, name the transfer something like emergency fund or vacation savings. This creates a psychological connection and makes it less tempting to skip or cancel the transfer. That's how you build wealth systematically, one automated transfer at a time. Do you automate your savings, or do you manually transfer money each month? Share your method in the comments. For more guides on automated wealth building, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.